Hey, it's Thomas Mulready from CoolCleveland.com, and this week we want to talk about having fun near the water throughout the region in Northeast Ohio. And of course, the biggest body of water, Lake Erie, right behind me here. There's plenty of places to get access to the lake. For example, Menor Headlands State Park has been voted the best beach in the entire state of Ohio. They get up to 2 million visitors every year. There's a great breakwall where you can do some fishing, of course hiking. There's a playground for kids. There's the Headland Dunes State Nature Preserve right nearby. And if you head to the other side, to the west side of Cleveland, the Lake Erie Islands in Erie County, Ohio, there's ferry boats that'll take you out to Kelly's Island and South Bass Island. There's also some great wineries out that way. Firelands Winery, Heinemann, John Christ, Mon Ami. A lot of them have live bands. We've played there a few times. If you go down to Summit County, Portage Lakes Wetlands State Nature Preserve, great place for hiking and get near the water there as well. Kent Bog State Nature Preserve in Kent, Ohio. And of course, Eagle Creek State Nature Preserve in Portage County. There are plenty of places to get near the water throughout the region. This is Thomas Mulready from CoolCleveland.com. Have a great week in Neotropolis.